Hello everyone. In this module number 5, we will study amino compound formation. In two component system, one of the type is solid gas system, and the example of this solid gas system is the amino compound formation. So, in amino compound formation to take place, for which when ammonia passed over silver chloride, a number of solid coordination compounds are formed. So, here I am showing you the different amino compounds. First one is a silver monoamino chloride, that is AgClNH3. Second one is a silver sesquioamino chloride, that is twice AgCl thrice NH3. And third compound is silver triamino chloride, that is AgCl thrice NH3. Now, the dissociation of such a amino compound takes place when such a compounds are heated. So, due to heating, such a amino compounds are dissociated in this manner. So, in first step, the two molecules of AgCl thrice NH3 is get dissociated due to heating into 2 AgCl thrice NH3 by evolution of 3 molecules of the ammonia. While in the next step, in step number 2, these 2 AgCl thrice NH3 which is formed in the step number 1 is further dissociated due to heating in 2 molecules of AgClNH3 by evolution of 1 molecule of ammonia gas. And in further step number 3, the AgClNH3 is get dissociated into solid AgCl and gas ammonia. So, in such a way, the dissociation of the amino compound takes place. In the following diagram, which represents the steps of formation of the amino compounds. So, this is one diagram on which the x-axis is there and y-axis is there. On x-axis there is a representation of ratio of ammonia and silver chloride in solid form, and on y-axis which represents the parameter vapor pressure. So, in this diagram you can see the arrow is moving from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F and F to G. In such a way, the amino compound formation takes place. So, the way of formation of amino compound is from A to G. So, initially the silver chloride is present, and for the silver chloride, when ammonia gas is added, then there is a formation of AgCl ammonia takes place. In next step, the 2 molecules of AgCl ammonia is further added. There is ammonia gas, and due to this there is a formation of 2 AgCl3 NH3 takes place. Further addition of 3 ammonia gas is there, and due to such a 3 molecules of ammonia added, the 2 AgCl 3 NH3 molecules, they are combined and it forms the 2 molecules of AgCl 3 NH3. So in such a way the amino compound formation takes place. So one by one, in each step what is happening we will discuss in details in this module. So here initially the system contain pure AgCl, means initially the system contain only AgCl compound, and when the ammonia gas is added to such a pure AgCl compound, which indicating in this diagram along the line AB. Here the vapor pressure goes on increasing, it will reach up to 42 mm. So along the line AB it contains the solid AgCl and gaseous ammonia. So here two different phases are there, solid and gas, solid AgCl and gaseous ammonia. Now we have to apply the phase rule for line AB. So along the line AB, the phase rule is F is equal to C minus P plus 2. As we are seeing the two component system, the value of the C, obviously it is a 2. While putting the value of P here, along the line AB, two different compounds are there, like one is a solid phase AgCl and second one is a ammonia gas. So the value of the P is 2. Then the next plus 2 is as it is. After making the subtraction and the addition, we will get the result, that is the number of degree of freedom, the value of F is equal to 2. As we get F is equal to 2, then the system is a bivariant. Now, next is up to reaching point B, what is happening at point B? At point B, the new compound silver monoamine chloride, that is AgCl NH3, start to form. And at point B, there are 3 different phases are present, in which the 2 are the solids, which are AgCl and AgCl NH3, and 1 is a gas phase, that is ammonia are present. Now here 3 phases are present and we are studying the 2 component system. So the application of phase rule takes place in this way, like F is equal to C minus P plus 2, that is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 1. Hence the system is a univariant. Now after reaching point P, then here at point C is there. What is happening? At point C, all the AgCl has been changed into AgCl NH3. So here full conversion of AgCl and ammonia, that is in form AgCl NH3 takes place. So at point C, there is a presence of the AgCl NH3 and the NH3 gas is present. Hence here number of phases is 2, and obviously the value of the C we know that it is a two component system. Hence the value of C is 2, value of P is 2, and after putting the value of C and P in this phase rule formula, we will get the value of F is 2. That is, if the degree of freedom is 2, then we know that the system is bivariant. Now next, after reaching at point C, the vapor pressure goes on increasing. It will increases from 42 mm to 116 mm at point D. And here a new molecule, that is 2AgCl3NH3, begins to form. How it forms? It forms from the two molecule of AgClNH3. It can get reacted with the ammonia gas. It will form 2AgCl3NH3. Hence, at point D, the system contains three different phases. From these three phases, two are the solid phase and one is a gas phase. Which one are the solid? AgClNH3 and 2AgCl3NH3 are the present in solid state, and one is in gas phase, that is ammonia. Hence, to apply the phase rule for such a system, we will get F is equal to C minus P plus 2, that is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 1. Hence, the system is univariant. After reaching point D, we have to move along the line DE, in which the pressure is remain constant, and here the AgClNH3 is fully transferred or changed into 2AgCl3NH3. Hence, for such a system, the number of component is 2 is there. Number of phases, that is a 2. Means, after application of phase rule for such a system, we will get the value of the F is equal to 2, and we know that as the value of F is equal to 2, the system becomes a bivariant. After line DE, we move forward to reach up to at point F. What happened over here? At point F, a new compound, that is 2AgCl3NH3 begins to form at this phase or at this point. So, this is a following reaction which is written at the lower side of the slide, that is 2AgCl3NH3 molecules, when it reacted with 3 ammonia molecule, it will forms 2AgCl3NH3. Now, for such a system, here the phases are 3. Component is same, that is a two component system, but you should have to be focused on the phase P. Here P is equal to 3, hence the F is equal to 1 and the system become univariant. After reaching at point F, there is a last point, that is a G. What happening at point G? Here the vapor pressure is reached up to 699 mm from 116 mm, and at this point the full conversion of AgCl thrice NH3 into twice AgCl thrice NH3 is complete, and here the full conversion of the AgCl into AgCl NH3 is completed. Now, in such a way that in module number 5 we discuss the amino compound formation. So in such a way the discussion about the amino compound formation is end. Important to note that download the uploaded study material for this module for your further study. Please submit the assignment of this module in your given stipulated time, and also kindly provide your valuable feedback and suggestions about this module. Thank you for watching this video. In next module we will study the new concept of phase equilibria. Thank you once again.